BrainBobble presents Revealing the Gems Within, an 8-step guide to discovering your natural talents. Does it sometimes feel like everyone around you has a special skill, but you're still trying to figure out what sets you apart? No need to worry, we have you covered. In this video, we're going to guide you through a process of self-exploration and discovery to help you unleash your uniqueness. So get ready to embark on an exciting journey of personal growth and fulfillment, one that will leave you feeling confident, empowered, and ready to take on anything life throws your way. 1. Try new things. Ready to unleash your inner talent and explore new horizons? Step out of your comfort zone and dive into something that sparks your curiosity. Whether you're drawn to the beauty of watercolor painting, the exhilaration of indoor skydiving, or the thrill of bungee jumping off a bridge, it's time to gear up and conquer those peaks. Don't be afraid to take risks and push yourself outside of your limits. With each new experience, you're one step closer to unlocking your full potential and living your best life. Who knows, you may even discover a hidden talent that you never knew existed. So go ahead, give it a shot, and see what amazing things you can achieve when you put yourself out there. 2. Pay attention to what comes easy. Thinking about the things that come naturally to you is like going on a treasure hunt. Imagine yourself with a map, searching for clues to find your hidden talents. When you take the time to notice what activities or skills come naturally to you, it's like discovering gold nuggets. Think about it, when something feels easy and enjoyable, it's often because it's one of your natural talents. It's like having a secret superpower that only you possess. By paying attention to what comes easy to you, you can unlock those hidden talents and use them in exciting ways. Maybe your talent for cooking could lead to hosting dinner parties for friends and family, where they can savor your delicious meals. Or perhaps your organizational skills could help plan the perfect wedding for someone special. The possibilities are endless. So pay attention to what comes easy to you. It's a great way to discover your natural talents and unlock the potential within yourself. Who knows what amazing things you'll achieve once you tap into these unique gifts. 3. Ask for feedback. Sometimes it can be hard to see our own strengths and weaknesses clearly. Your friends, family, and colleagues who know you well can offer valuable feedback on the things that come naturally to you. They may notice patterns in your behavior or skills that you take for granted or overlook entirely. In addition to highlighting your natural talents, feedback can also help you identify areas where you could improve. By asking for constructive criticism from those around you, you can gain insights into areas of weakness that you may not have been aware of before. This knowledge can be used to help you develop new skills or improve upon existing ones. It's important to note that not all feedback is equally useful or accurate. You should seek out feedback from people who know you well and whose opinions you trust. Ideally, these individuals will have observed you in different contexts and over an extended period so they can provide comprehensive feedback. 4. Take personality tests. Discovering your natural talents is possible with the help of personality tests. By answering questions about yourself, these tests provide insights into your unique traits and tendencies. There are many different personality tests available, each with their own unique approach and focus. Some of the most popular ones include the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, StrengthsFinder, Enneagram, Clifton Strengths, DISC, which is an acronym for D, Dominance, I, Influence, S, Steadiness, and C, Conscientiousness, and Big 5 Personality Test. These tests provide personalized feedback so you can use those strengths to achieve your goals more effectively. Discovering what comes naturally to you can help guide career choices or hobbies that align with those innate abilities. So why not take a test today and see what amazing things you'll discover about yourself? 5. Volunteer or join clubs or organizations. Volunteering or joining clubs and organizations is a great way for you to uncover your natural talents. When you get involved in these activities, you'll have the chance to try new things and learn new skills that you may not have had the opportunity to explore before. As you gain experience in different areas, you'll start to notice what comes naturally to you and what you enjoy doing. For example, if you volunteer at an animal shelter, you might discover that you have a talent for working with animals or a passion for animal rights. Or if you join a debate club, you might find that public speaking comes easily to you and that you enjoy researching and presenting arguments. By trying out different activities and roles within organizations, you can uncover hidden talents and interests that could lead to new career paths or hobbies later on. So don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. You never know what opportunities and experiences could be waiting for you if you're willing to try something new. 6. Take classes or workshops. Signing up for classes or workshops in areas that interest you but haven't explored yet can be incredibly beneficial. By taking these courses, you'll have the chance to learn from experts in the field, gain hands-on experience, and push yourself out of your comfort zone. Not only will you develop new skills and knowledge, but you may also discover hidden talents that you never knew existed. Plus, learning something new can be a great way to boost your confidence and self-esteem. So don't hesitate to invest in yourself by enrolling in a class or workshop. It could be just what you need to unlock your full potential. 7. Surround yourself with supportive people. Having a supportive group of people who believe in you and your potential can make all the difference when it comes to discovering your natural talents. These individuals should also be encouraging and non-judgmental, providing a safe space for you to explore your abilities without fear of criticism or rejection. While finding your natural talents can take time, patience, and perseverance, having a strong support system can help you stay motivated and focused on achieving your goals. It's important to be selective about the people you ask for support, choosing those who are genuinely invested in your success and well-being rather than those who may have their own priorities or agendas. By surrounding yourself with uplifting and inspiring individuals, you'll create a positive and nurturing environment that fosters growth, learning, and self-discovery. 8. Celebrate small victories. It's important to recognize and celebrate every small victory as you begin to discover your natural talents. However, taking the time to acknowledge and appreciate your progress along the way can help keep you motivated and focused on achieving your goals. Whether it's mastering a new skill or receiving positive feedback from others, each accomplishment is a testament to your hard work and dedication. So take a moment to pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Remember that every step forward is an achievement worth celebrating, no matter how small it may seem at the time. By acknowledging these victories, you'll build confidence in yourself and your abilities, which will only serve to propel you further towards success in the future. Discovering your natural talents is a journey that can lead to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Remember to be patient and persistent, and most importantly, have faith in your abilities. You never know what amazing things you're capable of achieving until you give yourself a chance to shine. So go out there and embrace your strengths. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.